The real estate market is dynamic and fast paced, requiring professionals to have the right tools at their disposal to manage leads, clients, and properties effectively. Lofty CRM is a platform designed to streamline the engagement of real estate processes, enabling agents and teams to stay organized and close more deals. Whether you're an independent agent or part of a larger real estate agency, Lofty CRM offers a comprehensive solution to help you manage everything from lead tracking to client communications and property details. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the key features of Lofty CRM, showing you how to make the most out of this powerful tool to enhance your real estate operations. So let's explore how Lofty CRM can transform your workflow, making it easier to grow your business and improve client relationships. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the lead management system. Lofty CRM's lead management system helps you capture, categorize, and track leads from multiple sources such as your website, social media, and real estate listing platforms. It provides an intuitive dashboard to help you prioritize leads based on various factors, such as engagement level and readiness to buy or sell. This ensures you never lose track of a potential client and helps increase conversion rates by allowing you to focus on high priority leads. Another key feature is the automated follow up reminders. One of the most powerful features of Lofty CRM is its ability to automate follow up reminders for leads and clients. It sends you timely notifications to reach out to prospects or clients based on your set schedules. It can also send personalized emails, SMS, or reminders directly to the lead. So, automation ensures consistent communication with clients and prospects, saving you time and preventing follow ups from slipping through the cracks. Another key feature is the property management. Lofty CRM allows you to easily manage property details in one centralized location. You can upload property listings, track property statuses, and update key information such as pricing, availability, and features. Additionally, Lofty CRM enables agents to create detailed reports and manage marketing materials for each property. This keeps all property information organized, reducing manual entry and ensuring that agents always have up to date details at their fingertips. Another key feature is the client relationship management. Lofty CRM provides powerful tools to manage your interactions with clients. You can store contact details, set up appointments, track communication history, and even log notes for future reference. This feature also integrates with other communication platforms such as email and messaging services, keeping all client interactions within the CRM. This enhances customer satisfaction by giving you a 360-degree view of client interactions, allowing for personalized communication and faster response times. Another key feature is the task and workflow automation. Lofty CRM enables you to automate repetitive tasks like sending emails, creating reminders for meetings and calls, and generating documents such as contracts or agreements. You can also set up custom workflows for your team, ensuring that every step of the sales process is followed correctly. This saves time by automating manual tasks, which allows agents to focus on higher value activities, such as nurturing leads and closing deals. So, why is Lofty CRM a great choice? Lofty CRM is an excellent choice for real estate professionals looking for a comprehensive solution to manage leads, properties, and client relationships. The platform offers seamless integrations with other tools, making it easy to centralize your business activities in one place. Its user friendly interface ensures that both new and experienced users can navigate the system with ease, while its customizability allows you to tailor the CRM to your specific business needs. The mobile access feature is particularly beneficial for real estate agents who are always on the move. Lofty CRM's ability to automate tasks and follow up reminders frees up time for agents to focus on higher value activities, ultimately leading to increased productivity and more successful deals. Its powerful reporting tools also allow businesses to track and measure performance effectively, offering insights that can drive business growth. So, with its all in one solution, Lofty CRM helps real estate professionals save time, improve client relationships, and streamline business operations, making it a top choice for agents and teams looking to stay ahead in a competitive market. So basically, Lofty CRM is a powerful tool for real estate professionals who want to streamline their operations and improve their client relationships. With key features like lead management, automated follow ups, task automation, and reporting tools, Lofty CRM enables you to manage every aspect of your real estate business efficiently. The platform's ease of use and mobile access ensure that you can stay on top of your tasks, whether you're in the office or on the go. So, by utilizing Lofty CRM's robust set of features, real estate professionals can enhance productivity, increase conversions, and provide a more personalized experience for clients. So, if you're looking to elevate your real estate business, Lofty CRM is definitely worth considering. Its intuitive design and powerful functionality make it a great choice for agents and agencies aiming to scale and improve their operations. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.